Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the A2MK Indicator. First, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see though. So to date, we have tested 251 indicators, and out of those 251 indicators, 96 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 96 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, as I said, today we will be testing the A2MK Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, A2MK Indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. It's a pretty simple setup. We have a two-line cross. This is based off of kind of the exponential moving averages, but it's calculated a little bit different. It's kind of a custom calculation on the indicators, which create the two different lines here. And basically what we have is when the green line crosses down below the orange line, we get a sell signal. When the green line crosses up above the orange line, we get a buy signal. So it's pretty simple setup, very similar to most two-line indicators. That's pretty much how we will be testing it today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing process, see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so let's see. We get our first cross right here. Let's see, mark this out right there on that one. And check this pullback that takes place right here. Yeah, that pullback got us. So that pullback would have stopped us out. So that one would not have worked out for us too well. Go ahead and continue to move on here. We then pull up over here. Let's see. 56. So that is a cross to the downside right there on that one. And it looks like we got the 90 pips. Let's double check here. there to there. Yep, we got 90 pips out of that to the downside. So that one would have been a winning signal there. Then we pick up a cross over here on the upside. This takes place, just double check here. Yep, right here on this candle. Go ahead and play it forward. And that one also got us to take profit. So nicely done there. Then we get a cross over here on this side. And that one also, let's see here. Nope, it looks like it would have pulled back and clipped the stop, unfortunately, on that one. And so we would have missed that one. That would have been a losing trade. Let's go ahead and continue downward here. And we see that, you know, had we not got clipped in that little bit of a pullback right there, it really wasn't that big of a pullback. And maybe you can play around with the take profit and the stops a little bit on these, because that definitely would have worked out rather well for you. I mean, that definitely went down once it gave the signal. So not a horrible call for the indicator to have made. All right, we're over here on this side. So we get another signal right there. And that one got us to take profits. Yep. Then we pull over here right there. That one also got us to take profit. So we are moving along rather nicely. We then pick up that buy signal right there, getting us to take profit. And you see when it calls a signal, it seems like, you know, it catches the majority of the move, definitely. So not bad at all. Let's see over here on this side. Let's see, the green is at 54.81, so it actually did the cross right there on that one. And we got the drop, got us to our take profit, and that would have been another decent trade. And again, it trails that downward action really well, so not too bad at all. Let's check over here on this side. So green line under, and then it pops up right there on that one. Stays within our parameters, didn't get us stopped out, and was able to punch up and get us to take profit. Then we get a crossover here, looks like right there, and that one also got us to take profit. And you can kind of see that as far as like a baseline goes, this is a, you know, rather more accurate way of picking up kind of a baseline, if you want to call it that. It's not really a baseline, but it could be used as a baseline instead of using just a single line that interacts with price action that will often get you chopped in and out of the market. And so keep that in mind. It's one of the reasons why I'm not too fond of baselines in themselves as far as just a single line interacting with price action. You can see so far this is doing really well. It's calling some really decent spots. Gets us in a little bit late at some points, but with enough time to, you know, get us to take profit in most cases. So let's see, cross over here on this side. Let's see, yep, it was definitely right there on that. And that one would have got us stopped out. Go ahead and continue forward a little bit here. Cross right there on that one. Pops up there really nice, getting us to take profit. cross right here on this one. I think that one was just a little late. What is our stop at? 135. So nope, that actually would not have stopped us out. It got close, but didn't quite get there. Let's see, over here on this side, we get a jump upside right there. Comes down rather quickly. Would have gotten us stopped out, unfortunately, on that. And it kind of went a little wonky right here. Let's see. Never crossed up. Still stayed to the downside. Got this really wild, tall wick on that candle right there, which just kind of threw the whole thing out of whack for a minute. Then we pick up a cross there to the upside on that one. It broke back down right there on that one, getting us to take profits. And break to the upside there. That one did not work out for us very well. Go ahead and finish up these last couple of signals here real fast. We get across to the downside there. Let me just double check that one. That was actually split of a week there. Close and open, which always can cause a little chaos. So right there, that puts us at the end of the year. And we'll scrunch this in just a little bit right there. Let's count these up and see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 signals all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 winning trades. And so that will barely edge up over that 60% marker that we're looking for. Again, it did really well. Definitely would work good as a baseline to get you in and out of trades instead of, you know, something that's going to get you chopped in and out, like, you know, one candle after another. And so just something to think about, but another decent indicator. It's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.